Hello, my name is Jason Pohlman. I am the Microsoft Practice Lead Field CTO here at OTAVA. Here today to sit with you for just a very quick video to show you why 365 Copilot can be of use and how to make your day more efficient because of it. We're going to start out by jumping right in on what is Copilot for 365. It does require a license on top of your 365 license, but what it does, it enables you to bring all those assets together from OneDrive, from PowerPoint, from Excel, from Word, and you may have information in a variety of different places, and you can use Copilot prompts, which is what the queries are called, to bring all that together to make you more efficient in your day. I use it on a daily basis, and I'm going to give you my favorite prompt to start my day out with here in just a second. But really, just think of Copilot for 365 as your digital assistant, that assistant that you could never afford, but can now as you work through your day. Start your day at this site. That if you have a 365 license, that site's available to you. Copilot's available to you to search the web. I'm going to show you what the Copilot license for 365 opens up for your work network for the assets that you have access to. But keep in mind, as we demo this, we're putting in goals, context, expectations, and source. That is very key. What you put in is what you get out of your prompts. So make sure you're specific enough so it generates content that is of use for you. Even include the type of audience that you're talking to. Is it more professional? Do you want to be more humorous? Make sure you put that in your prompts as you're creating your result sets. Here's 5 prompts that I use on a daily basis. So keep those in mind, but I'm going to show you a demo real quick, like I said. And this demo is actually going to show you how I start my day. I gave you the site already, and I have my 365 license, Copilot license already assigned to me, so it enabled the work here. You see work and web. If you don't have a Copilot license, you're going to see web. I'm going to put a prompt in here. So when I'm getting my coffee in the morning, I'll put this prompt in to start my day. And what this prompt is going to do, it's going to search my calendar to find out what I have for the day, what meetings, any recommended actions that I need to take, either action items that were assigned to me for the meeting, and also any links to any collateral. Wonderful day to start your meeting out. Probably would save you an hour when you start your morning, just by this one prompt here. There are many more, and I'm here at OTAVA to help. If you ever need assistance or want to understand more about how you can use 365 to make you more efficient your day, or just some advisement on 365 licenses, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.